Franks, try to stay lower. Try to make your hands quick, real quick to start. Real fast, real rapid. Single leg bounds. Guys, carry over the other way. You get 4 jumps to go 5 yards, okay? Single, you hit the whole time. 1, 2, 3, get there. Good. 4, stay in your lane, silly. Don't jump in his lane. Now breathe, rest, rest. All right, so each of you's got to jump a little bit further each time, okay? Swing your arms, push off the ball of your foot. Donovan, you swinging the other one a little bit too much. Lift the one you're jumping on.
Okay.
Hold on, catch your breath. Time, time. Pick up the knee that's on the ground. Right leg, right leg, right leg. One more. Good. Stop kicking your leg, son. Stop. You got so many moving parts. Swing your arms and pick up your knee. You're kicking your up leg and your head's going wild again. Pick up. Which leg are you going to move when you jump? Stop. You were right. Which leg are you going to move when you jump?
This one.
Okay, well, you got to do that. Lift it. Left, left, left. Lift up your left knee. Close. No, no cords. None. Slap. Just jump without. Go ahead, Eli. Good, Donovan. Turn. Turn. Stay on the shadow. Stay on the shadow. No cords. Just no. Just single leg bound 4 times. Good. Walk backwards. Now stop. Take a rest. Take a breather. Take a breather before you do it again. Swing your arms. Jack. This. 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 Better. Get those both hands going. Right leg up. Other leg, other leg. Eli. Pick up your left knee. Pick up your left knee. Knee up. That's it. Knee up. Are you switching legs? Jonathan, are you switching legs? Yeah, do the same leg every time. 4th's karaoke, right? Facing this way. Frank. Stay on the shadow. Shadow, shadow, shadow. Good. Good. Pick up your left knee. Right knee. Don't touch your whole, you're jumping on your whole foot. Get your heels off the ground. 2 good ones. Those last 2 were great. All right, do that every time. Pick up the knee you jump on. Good, now get your arms going, okay? Arms to get it going. Better. Karaoke. Get on the white line. Get on the tape. Get on the tape. Remember, 2 turns, plant your inside foot. So left foot, move back right, okay? It's not like Saturday, okay? I don't want to shuffle back. I want you to plant and just walk. Nice and lazy, and then stop when you get here. It's a quick karaoke, yes. It's a lazy shuffle. Lazy back, all right? Whenever you're ready. But don't stop, push, move. Take 1 step, but push and come back. Don't go underneath it, don't do that. More turns, 2 turns. Take your time, time, breathe, time. Step in front twice. But don't move the same foot. Push and move that other foot, right? Because really then I didn't really push the ground, I just slid my foot. JP, what did I tell you to put on the sled? No, that doesn't happen. There's no forgetting. Get your mind in this. Come on, JP. Don't let him do that again. Take that damn weight off there for him, please. Wasting reps. You can't move it anywhere. Turn, 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 turn. Stay on the shadow. Stay on the shadow. Shadow, shadow. Good, but stay on this line. Hold on. Jack, back up a line. Good, but don't move the same foot. Move your outside foot. Hey, guys, look. When you stop, you're going to plant and move. Plant, move, left foot. Yeah, but don't stop. Hey, Eli. Don't stop. All right, don't stop. When you plant your foot, move your other foot. Don't move your same foot and don't stop. Other foot. Move your left foot. Push with your right, move your left. Yes, move your other foot now, Jonathan. No, that's not moving. Do one more, do one more. Move your left foot. You're doing this. That's not moving. Move it, like a side bound, move it. Good, good. But do a better job on the karaoke. You're so worried about that finish that you can't karaoke. You gotta step in front 2 times, okay? This is your last one, right? Then you got rows, right? Good, Donovan. Got one more? One more? Keep your belts on, get some water, and then you guys are gonna be on the sleds. On the shadow, on the shadow. Stay down, Frank. Stay down. Arms, 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 arms. Good, keep your hips forward. Remember, stay in a straight line. Butt forward. Jack, you guys get some water, then you're gonna get on the sleds. You got one more, right? One more rotation. That's good. Hips forward. Stay in a straight line. Put your foot. Jack, get out of the way, son. Jack, get out of the way, son. Arms, 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 arms. Good. Let's you guys are gonna go on that one. So we're gonna put a 25 on there for you guys. We'll take that down to a 25.